In a matter of minutes, from an everyday van to a fully fledged motorhome with a luxury bed, this is what our new Camperbox 2 from Good Life Vans offers you. The Camperbox can be inserted into any bus in just 3 minutes and is secured using tensioning straps on the side. Our Good Life Vans conversions are known for maximum sleep comfort. And we have also installed a real luxury bed in the Camperbox. The aluminum bed frame with a real slatted frame on which plate springs are attached and the 3-layer mattress offer you the very best sleeping comfort. You can transform your living room into a cozy bedroom in just one easy step. The box can be equipped according to your wishes and needs. There is space for a toilet in the front section, for example, a Porta Potti, a toilet from Boxio, or the well-known separating toilet from Trelino. In the middle, there is a storage space that can be subdivided individually and flexibly, and which can also be used for large cool boxes such as the battery cool box from Ecoflow. In the rear part of the box, you can stow at the bottom a Boxio hand wash basin and above it, as example, a primus stove with 2 gas cartridges. With this configuration, you are perfectly equipped and can relax for a whole weekend. You do not have to install an extra battery or lay additional power cables. And this gives you the ultimate freedom and independence for your weekend trips.